Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Today we're going to show you how fun and easy it is to make the best smoked queso, or some people call it a Rotel. Hi y'all, Don here with Southern Backyard Cooking. Today we're going to be making extreme queso with a southern flair. I will be covering the preparation, the smoking, and sampling the queso with some great tortilla chips. Okay, so as far as prep, I've got 2 pounds of Velveeta cheese. I've already cubed it and put it in my pan here. I like to use 1 8-ounce brick of pepper jack, and I just throw it in there. I love to use an onion, but my wife is allergic to raw onions, so I've sauteed these onions and in butter, and about just throw them in there. A pound, I've got ground beef. You can use sausage, any type of any flavor that you'd like. Some people like it hot. I like to add some jalapeno peppers, so I've diced up some pickled jalapeno peppers. This gives it a good flavor, but yet it's not too hot. If you want it a little hotter, use fresh jalapenos. And then 1 tablespoon of pepper. The other 2 ingredients we need to put in here is a can of Rotel. Just pour it in, the juice and all. And I like to use a can of mushroom soup. Again, just pour it all in there. I'm going to scrape this out a little bit to get it all in there. And that's all there is to it. We're ready to go on the smoker. Hey y'all, it's been 15 minutes. So I just pulled it out, getting pretty well melted. So now I'm going to mix it all up. It's still kind of, it's getting a little warm, melting a little bit. But it's not nearly as thin or melted as it needs to be. I'm wearing these type gloves because these gloves are heat resistant. Allows me to pick up the pan because it is kind of hot. And I'm just mixing it up. I'm going to mix it up again in another 15 minutes and throwing it back in the smoke. Hey y'all, it's been another 15 minutes, so now I'm going to make another mix up, stir it up real well. See, this time it's a lot more melted. Looks pretty thick, so I may end up having to add some milk to it. I just want to mix it up real good. Scrape along the edges. You can see some of the steam coming out. It's getting hot. It's getting really good. It smells delicious. I know this is something you will all enjoy. Gonna go back in the smoker now. It's been 30 minutes. We're going to go another 15, pull it back out, mix it up again, and see from there how it looks. Alright, so been about 15 more minutes. Getting a little crusty on top. It's nice and cheesy, still pretty thick. I'm going to add about a half a cup of milk to it. It's getting close. Probably another 15-20 minutes and it'll be ready. Let me add some milk. Blend it in real slowly. Don't want it to overrun and spill. Just real easily turning it in. And we will take this and put this back in the smoker another 15 minutes. And at that point it should be real close to being ready. We'll try it out. Alright, we're at 1 hour now. I believe we're just about there. Just mixing it up just to make sure. Nice and hot. About the right consistency. Don't want it to be too thick, but yet don't want it to be runny either. So we're going to take this in and sample it. Alright y'all. We've got it inside. I've got the queso, got some chips, some jalapenos because I like jalapenos on mine, and of course cold beer. This is a great appetizer for any kind of sporting event, get together. It takes very little time. Total, including prep time, for me was about an hour and 15 minutes. So let's test it out. First one, just by itself. Oh man. Now that is good. Let's try one with the jalapeno, the way I like them. I like it a little bit hotter. Again, these are pickled jalapenos, so they're really not real hot. If you like it real hot, use fresh jalapenos, slice them, and they will light you up. Man, that's perfect. You can't ask for a better anytime get together snack to just a little munch on and socialize, cold drink. I'll be handing it out to the kids and the wife in just a minute so they can be sampling this, and this is going to be our pregame meal or appetizer. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There'll be a lot more videos like this coming along very shortly. Enjoy.